Mesh net on the handle and basket net for miscellaneous are included. Umbrella holder, mesh net and beverage holder included. Front wheel alignment mechanism built-in. Two 11-inch main and one 8-inch front maintenance-free tires with ball bearings for smooth rolling and perfect traction on all kinds of terrain. Foot brake. Top reviews from the United States. Great product at a great price. It's a great pushcart recommended by a golfing buddy of mine. I ordered the newer version and it was actually $10 less than the earlier version and it came with free shipping. I've used it a few times already and it works great. I would add that folding it up may not be obvious. The front wheel has a button release to allow it to fold up. At the bottom of the handlebar is a collar that slides back into lock and unlock the handle.